Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Stephanie, StephanieHellwig.com. Over at StephanieHellwig.com, we create premium WordPress themes for the Genesis framework. We also develop custom sites for small businesses, and we love to help you learn and grow with WordPress. So this channel is all about helping you to feel more comfortable with your online space. So if that means learning more about the WordPress dashboard, or if it means learning more about customizing your WordPress theme or website, or if it means learning better strategy to help your visitors find what they're looking for, or to use your website as your best employee, how you can automate systems that you're just doing repetitively or paying someone to do repetitively that your website could be doing for you. So on my channel, you will find all the things about WordPress and your website. On Wednesdays, we'll have our WordPress Wednesday tip that I also share to our newsletter subscribers. And in our Facebook group, I'll share that here on our YouTube channel as well. I will have tutorials on CSS, HTML, simple things with WordPress, advanced things with WordPress, maybe ways you could use your website that you've never thought of using it before. So please hit the subscribe button and follow along to make your online space as awesome as it can be.